Pakistan has reportedly approached the United States seeking a massive $10 billion financial support package in an effort to stabilize its struggling economy. Well, according to the international news agency, Islamabad has requested a bilateral exchange stabilization support facility from the US Treasury, a rare financial arrangement that could help strengthen Pakistan's foreign exchange reserves, support its currency and reduce its dependence on the emergency international loans. The reported request was made to US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and seeks financial support with a maturity period of up to 5 years. While neither the US government nor Pakistan has officially confirmed the proposal, and the development has sparked significant discussion, given Pakistan's ongoing economic challenges. Well, the request comes at a time when Pakistan remains under a $7 billion International Monetary Fund bailout program. The country narrowly avoided a sovereign default in 2023 after securing emergency IMF assistance and later received a larger extended fund facility worth $7 billion, along with an additional $1.3 billion climate resilience loan. Despite all these financial packages, Pakistan continues to face pressure on its economy, and the country has been forced to implement difficult reforms, including higher taxes, reduced government spending, and structural economic changes as part of IMF conditions. Its foreign exchange reserves remain heavily dependent on IMF disbursements and financial support from countries such as China, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. According to the reports, Pakistan believes its recent diplomatic engagement during the US-Iran conflict has improved its relationship with Washington and could create opportunities for the greater economic cooperation. During a meeting in Washington this week, Pakistan's Finance Minister Mohammad Aurangzeb reportedly discussed the nation's economic vulnerabilities with US officials and sought stronger American support to improve Pakistan's access to international capital markets, increase foreign exchange reserves, and strengthen its sovereign credit ratings. If approved, the proposed facility could provide Pakistan with an important financial cushion by boosting reserves, easing pressure on the Pakistani rupee, and lowering dependence on multilateral lenders. However, such exchange stabilization facilities are extremely rare. They are provided through the US Treasury's Exchange Stabilization Fund and are different from the US Federal Reserve's regular currency swap arrangements with major central banks. And before, Argentina received a similar package in 2025. The last major facility of this kind had been extended to Uruguay in 2002. Pakistan's economy continues to face several long-term challenges, including weak foreign investment, high external debt, security concerns, policy uncertainty, and a limited export base. Although the country's central bank hopes foreign exchange reserves could recover to around $20 billion by the end of 2026, analysts say that Pakistan remains vulnerable to delays in IMF funding and fluctuations in external financial support. And in the recent months, Islamabad has also been trying to deepen economic ties with the US by pursuing investment in sectors such as mining, cryptocurrency, real estate, and infrastructure. And all these efforts are seen as part of a broader strategy in order to diversify sources of investment and reduce reliance on traditional lenders. And for now, the proposed $10 billion US support facility remains under discussion. With no official confirmation from either of the side, however, if approved, it could become one of the most significant financial lifelines for Pakistan in the recent years and a major milestone in the evolving economic relationship between Islamabad and Washington. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.